Hey there, it's Todd, and today I want to talk about frame rate and how it pertains to shooting video. Now, first off, what is frame rate? Well, frame rate is the frequency which your camera records individual frames of video pictures. So, if your camera is set to a frame rate of 24 frames per second, your camera will record 24 individual frames of video pictures every single second. So why does that matter? Well, different frame rates look different when they're played back. The more frames, the more action is captured, and the smoother that action looks. Now, movies have been shot at 24 frames per second for nearly a century, whereas your phone or camcorder records at 30 frames per second, and that frame rate people tend to think looks like a video. And your professional sports on television tends to be shot and broadcast at 60 frames per second because that's where the action is really important, so they shoot and show more of the action. So that's why your choice of frame rate is really important. Do you want your video to look more like a movie, or do you want your video to look more like a video? So as a basic tip, if you want your videos to look more cinematic or more like a movie, set your frame rate to 24 frames per second. Now, these are just the basic rules when it comes to frame rate. Things can get a little more complicated when you get into slow motion, but choosing the proper frame rate for your project all comes down to how you want your video to look when it's played back at the end of the day. Now, obviously, rules are made to be broken, but learn the basic rules and then you can start bending them. And with that being said, if you want to learn more in-depth information about this subject or just shooting video in general, check out the Fronos Photo Guide to Shooting Video. I teamed up with POLIN from Fronos Photo to create over 6 hours of educational video about everything shooting video. And the best part is that once we show you all the ins and outs on how to shoot video, we take you on 4 real-world video shoots and show you how to shoot a music video, a commercial, a short film, and even a YouTube video. If that sounds like something you might be interested in, go check it out at fronosphoto.com/video and check it out for yourself. And you can take advantage of an exclusive discount just for you.